Civil Plus is not limited to project based on road and highway. You can also adopt Civil Plus to any sort of project, such as land or mixed development. Let's see a completed model in Civil Plus application. In this scenario, we have an OGL having a very hilly condition. Next, using the pre-com drawing provided by the surveyor, you can create a 3D model by using the feature line inside Civil Plus. In the end, the final result after creating the 3D model, you will be having something like on the screen. You can create multi-berm benching or platform or staggering platform in Civil Plus. This is applicable for terrace, semi-detached, bungalows project. You can also create retaining wall in Civil Plus, as well as multi-berm slope. Next, let's take a look at another project having a typical detailing. In this model or project, we have a typical building platform, the ingress and egress, as well as the parking area. Again, using the pre-com drawing or your proposed platform level, you will be able to create your cross sections at one go, indicating all the cut area and fill area automatically in the cross sections. When we do the submission to the local authorities, we need to hatch the cut and fill zoning for this area. Let's split the screen into two portions for us to see the dynamic changes to the model once you do any balancing to the site. The top portion is concentrating or focusing on the chainage 200 cross section, and the bottom portion of the screen is focusing on the layout plan. To do the cut and fill zoning or hatching for the layout plan, it's very simple in Civil Plus. You just need to follow the command line to create the hatching appropriately. Once you have completed the data input, you can see my layout plan has been hatched by red color cut area as well as green color fill area. These hatches is represented by a text. This is much more valuable comparing to normal hatches, because with this text you will be able to determine the excavation depth if you have a cut area. You will be also able to determine the retaining wall height at the perimeter of the project site. As you can see, the site is not balanced because of too much cut area. To do the balancing in Civil Plus, you have two options. Either you can do for manual balancing or automatic balancing. To do this, you just need to go to the Statistics tab, and Civil Plus has calculated the area for your cut and fill zoning. As you can see, our cut volume is much larger than the fill volume. Therefore, our net volume has excessive cut area or volume. Next, we're going to raise the platform by positive 7.803 to have a balancing volume. Again, no AutoCAD command is involved to adjust the model, even though it's the same DWG format. Next, I'm going to raise all the platform by 7.803 and watch the cross-section as well as the volume calculation. Everything has been updated automatically. Your layout plan also being hatched appropriately, indicating a balanced cut and fill area. The cross-section has been updated as well, indicating the fill area as well as the cut area together with the volume if you need to highlight that. Let's check the site which has been adjusted. Since our mean elevation is close to 0, therefore our volume is also close to 0 compared to the previous volume calculation. Let's take a look on how to create the automatic balancing in Civil Plus. In this model, I have a platform indicating a very small area of cut and a very large area of fill. The automatic balancing is included in the Civil Plus application. In this scenario, we have an area for cut having a volume of 500 cubic meters, a fill volume of 81,000. Therefore, our net is excessive of fill. To create the automatic balancing, we just need to click a button and insert the required volumes that is needed. 0 for the balance side. Once you click OK, Civil Plus will run 7 times iterations and will decide which is the best out of the 7 iterations. You will see the updated result on the model instantly. As you can see, the cut area and fill area has been balanced together with the slope pattern or hatches. You do not need to recreate the slope hatches. Civil Plus will handle the drafting part for you. And now the result for the automatic balancing has induced a fill area of close to 0 by lowering the whole platform by 9.572 automatically for you.